Hey, here at Dave Friedman team, we're having the most exciting year ever. We set 140 appointments in December and 230 in January, and we're still rolling just as strong right now. So I've got a great opportunity for a limited number of agents, just 10. I'll guarantee you 9 deals in 90 days. 9 deals in 90 days. So if you're looking to make this year your best year ever, now is the opportunity to jump on board with us. There's no cold calling, no open houses, no door knocking. We'll give you warm appointments all week long. In addition to that, you don't have to worry about repair negotiation, closing coordination, or listing coordination. We have all of that covered. So you just get to spend your time on showings, listings, and writing offers. Nothing better. So give us a call, inquire below, and get in touch with us quickly because this opportunity is going to close quickly. We have a lot of people that are interested. However, we would love to hear from you. Thanks.